Hey y'all, I'm back home. So happy to be home for spring break. But anyways, I'm so excited for this video today because it's going to be on my Fenty foundation. Alright y'all, like I was saying, I'm so excited for this video. It's going to be on my Fenty foundation by Rihanna. I am so excited. Like, y'all just don't understand. It took me forever, to get my hands on this foundation. Shade 370, well, y'all, I'm tripping. 370, I don't know if y'all can see that, but yes, and this is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation, honey. Long Wear Foundation. And this is, yes, y'all see that? Her packaging is amazing. Like, that nice sleek look, like, y'all. And that's what it says on the back. I don't know if it's focusing, but it just says Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. It says it in some other languages, and then it just says shake well, and it tells you how much is in there. So we go. And I already went ahead and did my eyebrows and my eye makeup. And I will, I am going to be doing a video on my eyebrows that will be coming soon. And I also, these are strip eyelashes, and I will be doing a video on how to apply strip lashes. I got a lot of videos coming up, y'all. Like, it's spring break. I know I'm supposed to be break chilling, but I'm going to be getting these videos up and out. So I feel like I shook it well enough. And okay, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I kinda like tested it on my hand already, but I didn't put it on my face yet, so this is still my initial reaction. Like, I cannot wait. Like, Rihanna, come through for me, you know? And before I put my foundation on, I'm just gonna do my, what is it called, priming, do what I do to prime.
I use a mixture of things. I really don't know if one works better than the other, but I'm just going to show y'all what I'm about to put on. I'm going to use my matte Oil Control Lotion because I have a really oily T-zone. So I'm going to be using that. I'm also going to be using my Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Control Primer. And I'm also going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Yeah. I'm going to be using all of those, just a little bit of each, but I'm going to be mainly using mostly the Black Radiance. I don't know why. I just like how it doesn't dry my face out, so.
Just going dot. I remember in like elementary school when you used like the Elmer's glue, and they used to say dot, not a lot, dot, not a lot. I don't know, I just thought about that. I'm weird, y'all. If y'all didn't know, your girl is weird. It's okay though. It's okay though. It's okay though. Make sure I get everything put out. Okay, so face was all nice, smooth, and velvety. And also another thing that I've been doing lately is taking my NYX Mineral Set It Don't Fret It powder and doing the powder method and putting powder on my face as well. Take some of the powder. Y'all don't judge me. It still works. But yeah, take this big fluffy powder brush and just gonna Alright, so now that we're all primed up, powdered up, ready to go, I'm gonna take it. I already shook it up well, so it should be ready to go. And I'm gonna start off with one drop. That was what one drop was. And I'm gonna take my fingers. I like using my fingers for the most part. And I'm just gonna dot. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I know it's dirty. I'm gonna clean it. Don't worry about that. But it's already damp. Keyword damp. It's not soaking wet. So when I squeeze it, there is no water coming out. You do not want that. You don't want water coming out. Right? No. Just make sure. That's one thing that has helped me blend my foundation flawlessly is having a damp beauty blender. And it's been a while for me to find a foundation that like matches my skin. So, y'all see that? It's just blending right into my skin. I just want to get close so y'all can see that. Y'all see that? Like, I know I haven't blended it out the rest, but y'all see how it's kind of like, there ain't nothing there.
And the lady also told me that it does dry a little darker, so that's why I was a little skeptical when she put out that 370. I was like, that looks a little light for me, honey. Like, I know I ain't like chocolate, but I know I ain't light here. Like, couldn't I just be pulling out these white daggone foundations? And I'm gonna go back in and get new spots I missed, so y'all ain't gotta like tell me like, oh, you missed that spot.
I know it sounds like I'm beating the heck out of my face, but I'm not. Get it? Beat your face, beat your face, beat your face. Also gonna take my Bare Minerals Precision Face Brush and also smooth this stuff out. Alright, y'all, so I'm done applying the foundation. And I know it looks a little light. I know the camera's picking it up a little bit light, but I went to the bathroom and it's okay. Like, it's okay. It's a really good color match. Ouch, my irritation. It's a really good match. Like, you know, I'm gonna leave this on all day, so I will probably, maybe, I don't know, come back and tell y'all like how it did throughout the whole day. But okay, so that is it for the face, and I'm just gonna take, well, I thought I was gonna take that. I don't know why I still got that. That needs to be thrown away. I'm gonna take my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Yeah, I'm gonna take that and just gonna spray my face. Alright, you guys, that is all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel if you want more fashion and beauty tips and tricks.